Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a part 2 video for how to become a human calculator.
For anyone. 576 is 331,776. Yes, good. How about another three-digit number, sir? A three-digit number.
103.
103 is 10,609. Way too easy. Another three-digit number, please. 125 is 15,625, but that's 5 to the 6th power, so that was easy too.
Give me a 2-digit multiplied by a 2-digit.
45
45
times 29.
1305.
9
589.
divided by 7.
589 divided by 7. 84.1.
Let's say it together, okay? 84.14285714285.
Any book.
It's astounding. You are the human calculator. There's no doubt about it.
The previous examples showed that human calculators exist in the world, and I wanted to make you a human calculator who needs pen and paper, and also they don't need a calculator to calculate something. We just have to know some tricks to calculate those arithmetics with our mind. I just wanted you to remember the addition technique which we have learned before in the previous video. So this is the technique 124 plus 235, how we can add these things together. So as the example shows that you can add this by hundreds, tens and the ones. Here I'm using some kinds of steps, arrows indicating that how the steps have been come. So you don't have to do this while you are doing things, you have to do with your mind. So let's go for the multiplication. Near 100, below 100, 98 into 97, both the numbers are below 100. So what's the answer? Answer is 9506. The way you can calculate, these are near 100, so you obtain the difference between 100 and 98, which is equal to 2, and then you obtain the difference between 100 and 97, which is equal to 3, and then you multiply both the numbers to get 06. This is very important to put 06, so it will come here, and then you have to subtract the number of 98 minus 3, which is equal to 95. Or on the other hand, you can do also 97 minus 2, which is also equal to 95. So that's the answer. And here we are going to see above hundreds. Say an example, 103 and 106 is equal to 109, 18. It's also a same example that you can do, which is the difference between 103 and 100 is equal to 3, and the difference between 106 and 100 is equal to 6. So we have to multiply both the numbers in order to get 18, and then the 18 will come here, and then you have to add the number of 103 plus 6 in order to get 109. On the previous example, below 100 we subtract the number, and here we add the numbers because these are above hundreds. And also you can do on the other hand 106 plus 3 is also equal to 109. It doesn't matter. And the next technique is multiplication using mirror technique. This technique can be applied for a number before a particular number and after a particular number. So both are multiplied together. And let's say an example is 24 into 26 mirror about 25. So the difference between 24 and 25 is minus 1, and 26 and 25 plus 1. So then we have to square 25, which is the mirror, so the answer is 625, and then we have to multiply both the differences, minus 1 into plus 1, so the answer is minus 1. Then we add both the numbers, 625 minus 1 is equal to 624. So let's give me another example for the same mirror technique, which is 42 times 38, which is mirror about 40. So the difference is 2 here, so we have to subtract 42 minus 40 is equal to plus 2 and 38 minus 40 is equal to minus 2. And then we have to square the mirror, which is equal to 40 square is equal to 1600, and then we have to multiply both the differences in order to get minus 4. So then we add 1600 minus 4 is equal to 1596. And the next technique is for squaring near a known number. Let's say if you want to square 42, answer is 1764. How did I do this? This is the technique. 42 minus 2 is equal to 40. So obtaining a near number, and 42 plus 2 is equal to 44. So then you have to multiply 40 into 44. For multiplying these, we have to use the previous technique, 40 times 40 plus 4. So 40 times 40 is equal to 1600, and 40 times 4 is equal to 106. So then we add the numbers together as our previous technique, 1760. And then we multiply both the differences we obtained previously, which is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So add both the numbers, 1760 plus 4, which is equal to 1764. Here we don't consider any negative signs, only the number is definite.
103 is 10,609, way too easy.
And then finally we are going to obtain the rooting. So say an example, if you want to find a square root of 72, what is the answer? The answer is 8.5. How did I do this? It's a very simple technique that you have to obtain the square number before the number, which is equal to 64, and then you find the root for that number, which is equal to 8, and then you divide the original number by that number, which is equal to 9. And the next step is very simple. You just find the average between 8 and 9, which is equal to 8.5. And I say that don't use this method. This method is only for clarifying or proofreading what we have obtained, and these are not that much of accurate, but for quick calculations you can use this. Hope you enjoyed this video, and just practice these things and don't do the steps that I used to explain to you. It's only for explanations. Do your calculations with your mind, and then you will become a human calculator. Just practice these things each and every day, at least 15 minutes, and then you will become a human calculator. Share this video if you like, and subscribe to my channel below, and comment on what you don't understand, or you want to clarify anything, or you want to put more videos about your thoughts. Just comment me below. Thank you for watching.